Assalamu alaikum class 7. Welcome to all of you in second lecture. As we finished before exercise number 1.1, now we go to start exercise number 1.2. Here the topic is operations on sets. First is union of two sets. I read the definition of union. A set consisting of all the elements of set A and set B, but not repeated. We cannot repeat the number twice or thrice, only once we write it, but not repeated is called union of two sets. It is denoted by the symbol capital. This is the U symbol, okay dear? For example, if A have the elements, set A have the elements 1, 2, 3 enclosed by the curly braces. You cannot write the parentheses, you cannot write the square brackets, only the curly braces. And set B have the elements 2, 3, 4, 5. So I want to find the union of these two sets. So then A union B. First we write the set A's elements, union set B's elements. Union means, as in the definition, we consist of all the elements. A set A consists of all the elements of set B, A and B both, considering all elements, but not be repeated. Okay, so here 1, I write 1, then 2 comes 2 times, we write 1, 3 comes 2 times, we write 1, 4 and 5 from the other set we can take it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the union of A union B. Now next, about intersection of two sets. In union, we take all the elements of the given sets but not repeated. Here in the intersection, we just take the common element from the given sets. So as the definition, a set consisting of all common, keep this word in mind, all common elements of set A and set B is called intersection of two sets. It is denoted by the symbol. Just take the reciprocal of union, okay? It becomes intersection. So for example, if same example, I take the previous example I given to you, A intersection B, 1, 2, 3 intersection 2, 3, 4, the B sets elements. So I want the common from these two sets. What is the common from these two sets? See, 2 in both sets present, so 2 is the common. 3 in both sets present, 3 is common. So this is the intersection of A and B. Now page number 9, that is number 3rd, which we use in exercise number 1.2. That is the difference of two sets. Difference means minus. If A and B are two sets, then their difference is a set that consists of all elements of set A. Because A is the first element, A is the first set, so we can write all the elements of set A which are not present in B. Okay, beta, which are not present in B. I repeat this word again, this definition. If A and B are two sets, then their difference is a set that consists of all elements of set A which are not repeated in set B. So it is denoted by A minus B. Basically, you all understand by the given example. For example, if a same example I take as an union as an intersection. So same example I take here in the difference of two sets. So set A's elements 1, 2, 3 and set B's elements 2, 3, 4, between them is minus. So see that 2 cancel with 2, 3 cancel with 3. So in the first set, what left behind? 1. In the second set, 4, 5. So you all know that in the first set, what left behind, that is we write the answer. In the second set, we cannot choose in difference. Keep in your mind, beta. All boys and girls, keep this concept in your mind. In minus, we always write the first set elements, what left behind. Okay, dear? After cancellation of these two sets, you cannot write the second set's elements. Got it? Now we go to start the exercise 1.2. Question number 1. Find the union of the following sets. So set A 1, 3, 5, and then set B 1, 2, 3, 4. So I write A union B, set A's elements, then union, I put it, set B's elements. Okay, dear? Union means we write all the elements consisting in these two A and B sets but not be repeated. Okay, beta? We write all elements but not be repeated. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You just write in the sequence. Got it? Second part. S is equals to A comma B comma C and T is equals to C comma D comma E. So S union T, set S elements, union, set T's elements. So I want to find union. So A, B, C. C comes in both. So we write only once. C, D, E. Because it's union, it's not difference. It is union. Okay, beta? We write both set elements. Now next, page number 10. That is part number 3. X equal 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Y equal 1, 5, 10. So I can write X union Y, set X elements all, union, set Y's elements all. So I want to write the union of these two. We write consisting of all elements but not be repeated. Okay, dear? So 1 is here, 1, 2, 3 is not there, 4, 5 here, 6, 7 is not there in both sets. So 8 and 10. C part, IOU, set 4, C, set IOU, set D, AEO, and set E, IEU are the elements. These are 3 sets given to me right now. Previous we studied 2 sets. Now they give us 3 sets. So we want to find the union of these 3 sets. C union D union E. So we write the set C's elements, union set D's elements, union set E's elements. So I want to write all in one set consisting of all elements but not be repeated. So A, E, I, O, U. Okay, bete? This is a set of vowel numbers. Okay, we studied already before this. Part number 5, L 3, 6, 9, 12, and M 6, 12, 18, 24. Set N is 4, 8, 12, 16. So we write L union M union N. Set A's, set L's elements, set M's element, and set N's element. So we write all the elements but not be repeated. So 3, then 4, 5 is nothing. Okay, not there. Then 6 here, 6 here as well. 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, and then 24. This is the answer of the part number 5. This is the end of the question number 1. Now we go with the question number 2. Find the intersection of the following sets. So we're going to find the intersection. P set is given to me, Q set is given to me. I write the set P intersection Q, set P's elements, intersection, set Q's elements. So what is the common from these 2 sets? We cannot write all, okay? Like union, we cannot cut like difference. We take the common value from these 2 sets, common element. Now here 0, here 0, 0 is common. Here is -1, here is +1, it is not common. -2, +2, not common. -3, +3, not common. Only 0 is common, so I write the answer 0 in the curly braces. M and set N is given in part number 2. M intersection N, set M's elements, set N's elements. M is first 10 natural numbers 1 till 10, and N is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. First 10 odd numbers. Okay, dear? So odd numbers are here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 because it is not divisible by 2. It is not divisible by 2. So I saw that 1 is common in both. 3 here, after 2, 3 comes, then 5, then 7, then 9. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is here. So this is the intersection of part number 2, M intersection N. Now we go with the page number 11. Set A and set B is given to me. Set A's elements 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Set B's elements 5, 10, 15, 20. A intersection B, set A's elements, intersection, set B's elements. So what is common in both? Only 15 common. Part number 4, set U, set V, set W. Set W is 0, plus minus 1 and plus minus 2. Keep in mind, okay? So I write U intersection V intersection W. Three of them, three sets got the intersection. First set U intersection, set V intersection, set W's elements only. So what is common from these all? Let me see. It is plus minus 1. Plus 1 is there, but not here. It is minus 1. It is plus 1. Minus 1 is here, not here. Okay, it is not common. 0, not common. Plus minus 2. Plus 2 here, not here. Minus 2 here and here. Means nothing common in these three. This means that it's my empty set. Or you can write circle and the line on it. It is called phi. Stands for phi. F-I-E, phi. It is stands for empty set. Okay, dear? You can write these two brackets, nothing inside. Or you can write the symbol phi. Part number 5, set X, ALM, set Y, ISLAM, and set Z, LION. We can write the three sets intersections, X intersection Y intersection Z, set X elements, intersection of set Y's elements, intersection set Z's elements. So now we see what common from these all. L, L, L. In these all three, L is common. So this means that this is my intersection of part number 5. Question number 3. If N, set of natural numbers, and set W, set of whole numbers, we remember it because in the first lecture I teach you these all things. Then find N union W and N intersection W. What is given to me? N. N is the set of natural numbers. Natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to so on. Up to so on because it's not ended. Set W, set of whole numbers, that is starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with all the commas inside because it's tabular form. Okay, dear? So I want to find first N intersection W, N union W. So we write N union W, set N's elements, union, set W's elements. So union means to write all elements in both sets present but not be repeated. So consistent of all elements starts from 0, then 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, then dot, dot, dot. This is the union of these two sets. Now we go to find the intersection. The last thing, N intersection W. N intersection W means we write the set N's elements, intersection set W's element. We choose the common in these two sets. So what is common in these two sets? Simple, that is 0 is not common, remaining all elements are common. 1 till 5 I write all elements dot 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 so on. This is the answer of question number 3. Now we will go with page number 12. Question number 4. What is that question? If P, the set of prime number, and C, set of composite numbers, then find P union C and P intersection C. Very easy part, very easy question. If I given to you homework, you can solve this question as well. But I just repeat it. Given P, set of prime numbers. Prime number starts for 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. In first lecture, I teach you in nature of sets. Then C, set of composite numbers, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, up to so on. If you not understand the composite or prime, please open this first lecture in the first video and see this video again in the nature of sets. Okay, then you understand it. First we write P union C, the set P's elements, union the set C's elements. So we write all elements but not be repeated. So 2, 3, 5, 4 is here, 4, 5, 6 is here, 6, 7, 8 is here, 9, 10, 11 and dot 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 so on. So this is a union of these two sets. Now the intersection P intersection C, set P's elements, intersection set C's elements. So what is common from these two? I saw 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. After 10, not 11 not comes in composite. After 10, 12, then 15, then 16, then 18, then 20, then 21, then 22, then 24. So this means that nothing is common in these two sets. Okay, dear? So this means that it's also the empty set. You can write phi as well as I explained it previous. So I write here symbol phi, F-I-E, phi. It's using for the empty sets. Now, next question number 5. If A set is C, A, C, D, E, B set is B, C, F, G, and C set is C, F, G, H. Then what we find? We find these three values and see we have the parentheses, means brackets, on the last two. So you all know very well in the grade 6 we solve inside the brackets first. So I write here solution A union B union C. I write the set A's elements union, then have the brackets. I start the bracket, then set B, I write the set B's elements, then union, I write union, then C set, I write the set C's elements, and then close the parentheses like this. Same, what is given, what is written, I just use the sets insides, okay dear, in tabular form. So this remains out because as I told, we solve inside the brackets first. So inside bracket is union of these two sets. So what is a union? Means writing all elements but not be repeated. Then B, C, F, G, H. So this is the answer of the bracket. Now we solve the first one, which is written before, same. Now I find the union of these two. So what is the union? A, B, C, D, F. F is here as well. So we write once, G and H. So this is the answer of part number 1. Now we go with the part number 2. Same sets, but part number 2 have the intersection. So we write the set A's elements, bracket, intersection, bracket, set B's elements, intersection, set C's elements, then the bracket again. This is outside the bracket. Write it same. Intersection, write same. We solve inside the bracket first. So inside the bracket, these two sets have the intersection sign, intersection symbol. So intersection means the common. So what is common from these two? C present in both, F present in both, G present in both. This is what this C, F, G is the common. Now from these two sets, what is common? C, okay, then F. So C, F is the answer of part number 2. Same, I solve the question number 6. Now what is the question number 6? X 1 till 10 natural numbers, Y 2 till 12 even numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8, and set Z 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 is the set of prime numbers till 11. Okay dear. So first part, X union Y union Z, right here X union Y union Z equal the set X elements union, then the parenthesis because it starts from the parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis, inside the brackets, we have Y union Z. So write the set Y's elements union, set Z's elements. So we solve inside the brackets first. Inside the brackets is union. So we write all elements but not be repeated. So 2, 3 is here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, and then 12. So we write the union now for these two sets. So 1 till 10 all comes at once because the union 1 till 10 must same. So after 10, 11 and 12 is here. Okay dear. So 1 till 12 is the answer for part number 1. Now we go to find the intersection of these three sets. We solve the brackets first. We write, I just substitute all the sets inside. We solve the parenthesis first, means the brackets. What is common from these two? Because of the intersection, 2 is only common. Now from these two, what is common? 2 is only common. So this is the answer of part number 2. Students, if you do the practice of 1 or 2 parts, inshallah, you can you will know how to solve the remaining parts. So now today, from question number 1 till question number 6, I solve all parts. Today we study the 2 things in operations on sets, as I just teach you in the starting, in the beginning. Next topic, inshallah, we will go to study the difference. Here, right now we study the union and the intersection. I repeat the union again. Union, we can write the both set elements but not be repeated. And in intersection, we just choose only the common elements in both sets what are given to us. So students, I use this video lecture, and I also put this inshallah on your channel picture form. You can copy this picture form, print it, and made the copies well, neat and clean. How I write the question in the with a black pen, and how I use the answer with the blue pen. Okay dear. So you can write the answer with the blue and can write the question with black. Just made your copies well, maintained copies. Okay dear, enjoy your vacations at home, but do studies. Okay dear, so if you have any question, any queries, you just message me. I will just give you the answer. Hope so you all understand this lecture. Okay, till next lecture, Allah Hafiz.